Well, we are still working on skipping frogs because we've broken it all up to make it easier. And we're on line 2. We're on the bottom line of the song. But what we're going to do is work on the second bar to the end. And the reason for that is because bar 2 and bar 3 are practically the same thing. They're the same fingers, they're just the pattern's a little bit different. And we're working with fingers number 2 and fingers number 4. Okay, finger 2 to number 4, 2 to the 4. So get those ready on your left hand. And the last note in this song is a whole note. So I don't see a point at this, where we are right now in our course, to do a whole lesson on just that one whole note at the end. It's just one note. So I've added that to this lesson, even though it's not part of the 2-4 skip. I thought it was just easier to add that long note to this lesson. All right, I'll see you at the piano. Now, the 2 bars in the middle are almost the same, okay, but not quite. So the first bar we need to look at is the 2 to the 4. These are the skips. And the first one is going to do a 2, 4, and a long 4. So let's try that. 2, 4, and a long 4. 2, 4, and a long 4. 2, 4, and a long 4. Frog, dog, and a long dog. Frog, dog, and a long dog. Frog, dog, and a long dog. And the next bar also does the 2 to the 4, but it's a different pattern. It does 2, 4, 2, 4. There are 4 tap notes in that bar. You'll see. 2, 4, 2, 4. Or frog, dog, frog, dog. Okay, so we'll do one of each. 2, 4, 2, 4. And in the animals, frog, dog, frog, dog. Okay, so the first bar that we're working on is the frog, dog with a long dog. You'll see a long dog there. Frog, dog with a long dog. And the bar after that with the 4 taps, we'll have frog, dog, frog, dog. With the finger numbers, we're going to do 2, 4, and a long 4. And then the next bar is 2, 4, 2, 4. Okay, keep practicing that lots and lots. Now the very last bar is just a cat, and we hold it 1, 2, 3, 4. So we might as well add it to this video because I don't want to do a whole video just for that. So it's just pinky at the very, very end of the song, and we hold and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So pinky on the count 1, 2, 3, 4. And again 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy. We've seen whole notes lots of times before. Okay, so we're going to try the whole bottom line in the next video. So how did you go? Hopefully really well. So the first bar we're working on is the 2, 4 to the long 4. And the second bar that's very similar but not the same is the 2, 4, 2, 4. Right? You don't have a long note in the second one, but you're still going from your 2 to your 4. So that's why I thought this video could be for those 2 bars together because they're the same fingers, different patterns. I told you before. So you had a tap, tap, and a long note, and then tap, 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 but always going from 2 to 4. And then I added the pinky for the long, the whole note at the end that we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Because there's no point at this stage to be doing a video just for that. We already know the whole notes really well. Well, I hope so by now, right? I would hope that you know your whole notes really well by now.